guys, my name is Olivia Large, or Live in Large CEO on Instagram and TikTok, and today I'm going to teach you the choreography to Danger. This is a choreo that I made for spooky season, and it is a shuffle and shapes hybrid. So let's get started. So this choreo starts on a 1. On that 1, we're going to be keeping our right leg forward and doing a micro bounce on this left leg, and then into our running man for 2. So it's 1, 2. We're going to go into another running man for 3. From 3, we're going to do a kickback. So you're going to be hopping your left foot back underneath you and bringing this right foot up on its toe. And then we're going to just go right back into that running man with left foot forward. 3 and 4, back into that running man with left foot forward. Then we're going to go in. We're going to go into a cowtail. So you're going to sweep that left foot back up and around. 4 and 5. From this cowtail, from in 5, we're going to scoop it up and around. You're going to kick 6, and then we're going to do a soccer kick and land on 7. And 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 7. We landed 7. We're gonna hop onto this left foot, pop it down, lift your right foot, so for and. So it's 7 and. We're gonna have 8. So you are rotating your body from the left, forward, and then we're gonna take this left foot and hop it. We're gonna cross it over our body and rotate to the right. 7 and 8 and 1. So from that, we'll do it again slowly. So we have and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. So you want to use this as a way to move yourself to the right. So the more hop you have, the more distance you can go. So from the back, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. We hit 1. Now we're going to go and switch our left leg. We're going to bring our right foot underneath us, hop up our left foot for 2, and then we're going to go hop and switch in. For 3, we're going to do a micro bounce forward as we kick this into a figure 4. So we're going to bring this ankle up to our knee. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. We are going to bring our foot behind our knee for 4, and then rotate forward 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to put our foot down. We're going to take our right foot, put the toe down to the left of our left foot, and we are going to slide back. So this is 6, 7, and we're going to bring it back up to the left of our left foot where our feet are normal. 8, and then 1, we're going to go like this up on our toes. So we can just twist. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. From the back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, left 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to do a bit of a T-step to go 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So we just have back 5. From here we're going to kick 6, hop 7, just like that soccer kick. We're going to put our toe down and we're going to slide across. We tap 5, kick 6, crossover 7, slide 8, tap 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap back 1. We are going to go 2 with that diagonal left, just like a rock, and we're going to hop onto this foot. Left foot is taking like all your weight. Right foot on its toe, slide 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. sliding that out to a forward stance. You're gonna grab and walk your feet in for 5, 6. And we're gonna do razor blades, starting with our left side. We're gonna take our right foot, 7 and 8, and then we're gonna pause, and then we're gonna restart on 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. That is the basis of choreo. So once you get back to that 1, you just repeat the same choreo except for one small change in the end. Once we get to our 2-step part, towards the very end, we end up doing our glide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of doing this, we're going to go into a glide instead. So we end up here from this stance. Instead of pulling up, we are going to go 5. Cross your right foot over your left, slide back like we did before, 6. Then we're going to bring this foot back and over on its toe. So this would be 7, 8. We are going to do a circle flat. So we're going to go bring this, you put all your weight in your left foot for half a second, slide this right foot over, switch. Then we're going to go other way, same thing. Bring this left foot over, bring the right foot to meet it, and 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. My phone died in the middle of recording the tutorial, but that was pretty much it. If you want to, you can add a little flair in the beginning. For where there's darkness, there's danger. I did like a little fan flip, but you can do like a hat flip or like a spin or something to go into it. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun with this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or try to leave a comment on my Instagram or something as well. You can find me on Instagram at LIVINLARGECO and TikTok as well at LIVINLARGECO. And then of course YouTube at Olivia Large. Thank you so much and have fun.